guys. In this video I will talk about the ossification of the scapula. This is the part 5 ossification. This is the ossification. For the ossification, firstly I will draw a diagram of the scapula. This is the anterior view of the scapula. This is the anterior view of the scapula. Firstly, scapula has one primary center of ossification and 7 secondary center of ossification. Scapula has one primary center of ossification and 7 secondary center of ossification. One primary center of ossification on the glenoid cavity. This primary center of ossification is appear during 8th week of intrauterine life. It appears during 8th week of the intrauterine life. Appears during 8th week of the intrauterine life, and it fuse with the lower 1/3 part of the glenoid cavity. It fuses during 15th year of life. It fuses during 15th year of the life, and first secondary center of ossification is on the tip of coracoid process. This is the first secondary center of ossification. It appears during first year of life. And it fuses with the root of the neck, root of the coracoid process. It fuses during 15th year of life. It fuses during 15 year of the life, and it appears during first year of the life. And second secondary ossification center is on the root of the coracoid process. This center of ossification appears during this secondary center of ossification. Second secondary center of ossification appears during 10th year of life. It appears during 10th year of life, and it fuses during 16 to 18 year of life. It fuses during 16 to 18 year of life, and it appears during 10th year of life. This is the second secondary center of ossification. Our third secondary center of ossification is on the acromial process, and fourth is also on the acromial process, and fifth secondary center of ossification is on the lower 1/3 of the margin of the glenoid cavity. This is the lower 1/3 of the margin of glenoid cavity. There is 1 2 3 4. This is the fifth secondary center of ossification, and on the inferior angle there is 6 secondary center of ossification, and from the superior to the inferior angle there is 7th secondary center of ossification. This is the 7th secondary center of ossification. This is the 6th secondary center of ossification. This is the 5th. This is the 3rd, 4th, 1st and 2nd. These are the secondary center of ossification. All secondary center of ossification appears during puberty and fuses during 25th year of life except first except first and second, except first secondary center of ossification and second secondary center of ossification, all are all मतलब कि all third fourth fifth sixth and seventh, these are all third to seventh secondary center of ossification appears during puberty and fuses during 25th year of the life. This is the all about the ossification of the scapula part 5. Thank you.